Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I am the owner of the trustisyou.com in a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now with an exclamation mark. Tomorrow, Monday, the 19th at 8 p.m. East Coast time, I'm going to do a live Q&A to go over the slides and answer questions. If you would like to come, I'll have the link in this video. I want to tell you a little bit about the Spendthrift Trust so you can see if this would be appropriate for you. The 1099 income earners will have the business trust. That will save you at least 70% on your federal taxes year after year after year after year. That could be thousands of dollars. The beneficial Spendthrift Trust is for investors. I don't care if you're a passive investor, if you're a real estate investor, you're a crypto investor, you're doing crypto mining, you are a stock market investor, you're doing options trading, you're a day trader, a futures trader, you're doing forex investing. With the beneficial Spendthrift Trust, you are going to save the following taxes year after year after year after year. Short-term capital gains, that's a year or less, that's going to be 23.8% on all your profits. So if you're doing auction houses like I am, if you're doing wholesaling houses, if you're doing fix and flips, that's going to be 23.8% on your profits. That's a lot of money. Long-term capital gains are either going to be 15% or 20%. If you're selling a business, that could be a lot of money. I just saved a client selling 49 shares of his marketing company. He saved $100,000 in capital gains. That's a lot of money. So that's capital gains. The other four ways are going to be interest income. If you're a passive investor, if you're a forex investors, you get taxed on interest income and capital gains. Watch out. If you're doing the BRRRR strategy, if you're, I have 12 notes. That's interest income. Dividend income. If you're in the stock market with getting dividends every year, you pay this on your profits. If you're doing options trading, day trading, or futures trading, you're going to save dividend income. Rental income. Oh yeah, short-term or long-term rental income. Yes, you can take depreciation, but with both the business trust and the beneficial trust, you're going to save, number one, federal taxes. Number two, you're going to keep your information private, so no one's going to know how many houses you have or how many doors you have. And number three, being in rental income, you're going to save, if someone sues you, you'll pay no judgments. That could save you thousands of dollars with rental income. So again, short-term rental, Airbnb, Vrbo, renting to traveling nurses, or long-term rental. Maybe you have single-family homes or multifamily homes. This trust will save you thousands of dollars if you're sued. And then finally, but not least, is royalties. I don't care if you're an artist, a songwriter, an author, an actor, an actress, you have mineral rights on your land. Or if you're in the NFT world, NFT real estate, NFT crypto, or NFT artwork, you're going to save royalties year after year after year after year. I know what you're saying. This sounds good, too good to be true. I understand that. Trust me. This trust is contract law on the federal level. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B, like Bravo. And if your accountant or your CPA says, I've never heard of this, please tell them to read a book. It's Scott and Asher on Trusts, Plural Trusts, 5th edition. It talks about the Spendthrift Trust and all the other trusts out there. This is legal. It comes from England, back when King Henry VIII was chopping off his wives' heads and getting in trouble with Europe. He went to go tax the lords and ladies, and they went back to the Magna Carta. Again, Google all this if you want to. I'm not giving you dates. I get things transposed. This came over from England to the United States colonies, or the colonies where we're still under England. It's contract law. It is in the IRS Tax Code. It's legal. The trust I sell is patented in the IRS Tax Code and has been in front of the U.S. Supreme Court twice. Both times, the Supreme Court honored in favor of the Spendthrift Trust. I can't get much more legal than that. Until I do have case law if you need that. Tomorrow, on Monday, June 19th at 8 p.m. East Coast time, I'm doing a live Q&A. Go over the slide deck and then answer questions. Please come. The link will be in this video. Thank you for listening. My name is Sally Gimmon. The website, thetrustisyou.com, and my podcast, Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. Take care. Have a beautiful week.